Hi guys, this is Meena from Meena Laku Interiors. So today we are in a new site. So it is a semi 1 BHK apartment with a semi kitchen and a bar unit. So let's go inside. So firstly, here is a huge lock unit. So this facility has like face recognition and also a number keypad where it can lock and open. So right now it's open because my face is not activated, it's my client's. So let's get inside. So the basic concept of this house is nothing but minimalism with a pop of color. My client likes very subtle stuff, but she also likes a pop of color here and there. So basically this wall is completely made of putty work, painting and POP beading. We couldn't do MDF paneling because the wall was inappropriate. So we had to do POP plastering and that has come out so well. And also my client loves to travel. She goes on a lot of holiday. So I wanted to incorporate that somewhere. So we created this golden frame with a nice beach views, and she is a person of a beach lover. So we customized this bar closet for her. So basically it has like 4 partitions, one for winery, one where she can keep her liquor bottles and one for those wine glasses. And over here we have given a space where she can arrange whenever she wants to do like a cocktail or something with a friend, something really exciting. She can keep everything right here. And this space is given for fridge, like a wine chiller basically. And this is a cabinet where she can store all her stuff inside. Actually, she has done it already. So right now I'm standing in an island table for the bar unit. So here we have 2 bar stools and also an island table, so that if they want to do a margaritas or cosmos, anything, they can play here. And also this is a semi kitchen where you have like a wash area, a mirror, and you can keep a microwave even here. So basically we didn't want to leave this table plain. So I created this pattern where it looks like a semicircular and also looks really attractive. So that's about it. And also it has like a cabinet given here where she can store her other things also. We didn't want to leave it plain because she needs a lot of storage space. So we tried to accommodate in this island table. So right now I'm standing in the living room. So basically it has 1 level raised up to show the area between the bar unit and the living area. So we have customized this beautiful paneling work like a frame to show the difference between the bar area and the living. So let's get inside the living area. So right now I'm sitting in the living area. If you see the living area, it's very minimal. Here only the TV unit and the furniture and the frame speaks about itself. And also this furniture was customized by us, and my client is very sophisticated. So she wanted like an automatic recliner where she can lie down whenever she feels like. So I'm going to show you that. How cool is this? And your back also goes way far. So you can come back again. Yeah. And also these frames were customized by us too. So basically she is a person of brands and all that, traveling. She's a very fancy person. So we customized these frames for her, which actually makes her feel home when she sees this. It's all about her in this space. So she wanted a home theater effect, so she got this Bose speakers which is on the wall. It looks small, but the sound of it is too high, just like a home theater. We fixed the speakers on the ceiling, and also since we had a false ceiling, it was easier for us to fix it on the ceiling. So basically my client didn't want a huge TV paneling because the TV is the size of a paneling. It's actually 77 inches TV, so we didn't want to do a paneling, and also we tried to cover how much ever wires we can by a wire box. And this is a very long TV unit. It's actually 13 feet long, and also everything has a soft closure. If you just pull it out, you can just close it automatically. So she wanted everything in white, and the furniture should have some color. That was the main concept here. So yeah, that's about this whole space right here. It's very comfy and a very minimalist space right here. So right now I'm sitting in the bedroom, and it is the same concept as the bar area which we have seen earlier. So here the wall is actually built like so many years back, This whole building was built like so many years back. So the walls had a lot of levels. So we had to do a lot of coating before we get that perfect wall, which we actually couldn't achieve much, but it is semi-perfect, so that we went with the POP molding. As I said earlier, if we are going to do it with a wooden paneling, there are going to be a lot of spaces since the wall is not balanced enough. So we went with the POP molding, and also here the same concept. We have given like a 3 frame just for her own personality. This is what she likes to do. This is what is her. And also she also wanted a backrest which is made of leather. That's what this pattern is all about. She didn't want to go for velvet or any other material because of the dust issues which she has. And also the side tables, if you see, it is done with a wooden base. So this whole room concept is about white with wooden finish and a pop of color. So this is a small storage space which we did for her. She didn't want anything on the walls, so we did a separate storage in each space. So basically we have given these sleek inbuilt handles. There are no exhibit handles at all. Everything is inbuilt and everything is carved correctly. If you open, you can have like a library storage like this, and also everything is soft closure here. Open, just push it, it will close automatically. Same here. So right now I'm near the TV unit area. It's the same concept as the living area. She didn't want to do any kind of paneling work because her TV is big enough. This is also 77 inches TV, and we have given a cute TV unit, just a ledge to keep all our Wi-Fi and all that stuff. And also we have given 3 drawers just for storage. Everything is soft closure here, and nothing has handles basically because we have only given handles in certain places and we have tried to inbuilt most of it. So basically the whole space here, all the electrical points are automated. Everything has automation here, from fan, lights, AC, and it is covered inside the false ceiling. So I'm just going to show you an example here in the bedroom. I'm going to switch off the lights here. All the lights are off. I'm going to switch it on now using the phone. Yes, it is done by us. And also it's a very easier way to switch on the lights wherever you're sleeping, wherever you are, you can switch it on and off. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm in the dressing area. which is actually combined to the bedroom itself. So this is a dressing area. She didn't want to have a seater here because she gets ready within like 5 minutes, she says. So we didn't give a seater here, but this is the whole dressing area right here, which is fully made of white Duco, and these are made of MDFs, and also we have given a nice paneling work right here. So all the handles here are also inbuilt, nothing of outside sort. She wanted something very neat and inbuilt handles. Everything here is also soft closure. So let's go to the other side. So basically this is a jewelry cabinet that we made for her, where she keeps all her jewels here. So we gave her enough space and also these accessories where she can hang it. Nothing outside, that's what she mentioned. She doesn't want anything outside, everything should be inbuilt. And right here she wanted a space for all her candle setup, so we have given her this space. And also right here we have given one ledge just for her to keep any storage or anything right here. So right now we are in our bathroom. This is a very private space here. And also she wants to incorporate a little bit of pop of color here also. So we have given this beautiful blue tile. Everything is anti-skid tiles on the floor, and on the walls also I have given kind of a rustic look to it, and also matched it with a Korean white top. And every fittings are chosen by her. We gave her a lot of options. She wanted to choose accordingly, even from the mirror to all the niche, everything was pre-planned. And also she wanted a wet area and dry area separately, which is very common. But here I wanted to do something different by customizing a nice frame for her. Instead of going with the full glass look, we customized these kind of black frame just to give that look to the wet area, as you all can see. So now we are going to enter inside a walk-in wardrobe, which is pretty simple but classy as well. So this is a walk-in closet. If you all can see, she didn't want anything to be closed at all. No wardrobes, nothing. She just wanted to do a simple paneling work and giving rods here and there so that she can put all her clothes, and it's easier for her to access. And also we have given a door so that the dust don't accumulate anywhere on the clothes. So in the center, if you see, she wanted a place to put all her handbags, and she wanted to give storages for all her stuffs inside. So we have given this, and also for the hanging bags we have given some knobs like this so that she can hang all her sling bags, and here only all her main purpose bags which are involved. So basically here, if you see, on the ceiling we have given the strip lighting. Basically it's not a ceiling, we have made a semi-ceiling there of the paneling work, and we have given a nice strip lighting. And on top of that we have given the loft area there, because she can store all her travel bags and everything on top, and it doesn't look bad like a loft and the storage. It doesn't look that way. Instead it looks very neat and classy at the same time. So this is Meena from Meena Latho Interiors. Hope you guys like the video and the interiors especially. And also see you guys in my next site. You guys can contact me on my Instagram. This is the Instagram handle, my phone number and my email ID. See you guys.